Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. I appreciate you all. Today I have for you a haul. So this is actually going to be a two-part haul because I have a Sephora order coming as well. But I wanted to go ahead and open this and dig into it because there is something that is in this box that will actually be going up probably before this haul as an addition to the giveaway that I'm currently. Open it up and this is what I see. And so this was something that was part of, it was free. You put stuff in your cart, you buy stuff, and you get stuff for free. So this was one of the things that I got for free. It is an Urban Decay Glide On eye pencil in the color 0, which is just black. I have multiple of these, so this will go in the current giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out, and which I was excited to buy, I actually have a few of them, so let me pull them out. I saw this in the Sephora store. I think this is it. Is this it too? Okay. Oh, and this is also was free with purchase. It's just the setting spray. I actually have multiple of these small ones, and I have a full size, so this will also just go in the giveaway. But this is what I saw in the Sephora, and I was just totally digging on them, and I just wanted to get them. These are the Heavy Metal Glitter Gel. It's for the face and the body, and then this is, I guess, just the eyeliner. Glitter eyeliner, yes. So the colors that I got are Volume, Disco Daydream, and Saturday Stardust. I will swatch these for you because I did buy these for me. I am a glitter freak. So this is the eyeliner in Volume, and let's see. Oh, I just think it's a really pretty color. I do like to go under my lash line with glitters often. So there is that. And I think that that's just a really pinky color. I really like it. And then the two face and body glitters. So this is Saturday Stardust. They do have kind of a larger hole in them, so you can go in with a brush if you need to. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh, okay, so it looks like it's more of a tapping sort of a thing because I tried to spread it and you can see how it didn't spread out very well and it kind of stuck to my finger. So let's try that again. There we go. So it's more of a tapping motion that you want to go in with that. So that's cool, and you probably want to use a brush, but I don't have a brush handy. And then the other one is in Disco Daydream. Let me use this finger. Woo! I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Ah. Bling! Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I love it so much. All right, and those are sticking pretty good on my finger, but that's what those look like. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love these. Oh, and they kind of fall out too a little bit, but that is really nice. And once again, I sat down without makeup wipes, so I'll be back. Okay, you can see that that is a struggle to get off. So that's super fun. Glitter on me for days. Okay, moving on. That was really difficult to get off. So the next thing I bought is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. As you guys have seen me say many times, I have 2 minis that I take with me everywhere, and one has some in it, one is almost empty, and I never know which one is which. So I bought a full size. So once those disappear, I will have the full size of that. The next thing I bought was a brow definer, another one, because my current one, and I bought it in the color blonde, because my current one is, it only has about a quarter of a stick left, so I will be needing one soon, so I bought it. The next thing I bought was a brow dip gel in taupe. So I'm hoping that this is like the brow gel that I like to wear just on natural days, that is from the Brow Gal, except more my color. I'm hoping that this, but I know that that brow gel is almost gone, so I needed to get another one. And I have an NYX one that I haven't opened yet, and I think I'm just going to switch them out because this is actually more my color. And I think the other one will just go in the giveaway if one of the winners happen to have that sort of hair color. The next thing I bought, and this is absolutely going in the giveaway because I think it's frickin' pretty, but my husband said, no way. It is the Anastasia Shimmer Body Oil. And this will go in one of the medium-sized boxes. It says it's Luxe. It's a lightweight oil that gives skin a sun-kissed glow. And when I picked this up in the store, I will open it to show you guys what it looks like. But I picked this up in the store and I was just like, ooh, ah. And my husband was like, no way are you going to put a glitter oil on because I will have that stuff all over me. So that's what that looks like, and I think it looks fantastic. So I bought it to look at it for a minute, and it will actually go in the giveaway. So I'm going to put it back in. Last but not least, I bought another one of these palettes. This is going to be part of my 1K giveaway. There's no point in me telling you in this video because that will actually go up first, but I will link that giveaway down below, the current giveaway. When I get this video up, I will link that video down below just so you guys have the full scoop. I'll also link the swatches to this down below just so you guys have all of the information you need. So I hope you enjoyed the first part of this haul. Haul take 2. Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. I appreciate you all. A couple days ago, I did or a day ago, I don't remember. I sat down and recorded an Ulta haul, and I was waiting for my Sephora order to get here so I could add this to the video before I put it up. Let's get into the Sephora. It is going to be a short video. There are only a couple of things in here, but it's part of a haul. So let's get her done. So I was in Sephora the other day and I saw these palettes and I just about fell over because of the packaging. I don't know why. I don't know, there's just something about these palettes that got me, and I didn't buy them at the time, but I did get online and purchase them. So let's get into it. I bought all 3 of the Huda neon palettes now. These are strictly for me. I just love this. So this is the neon pink packaging, and that is what that looks like inside. It is date night, so I will not be doing swatches of these. If you guys do want me to do swatches, just comment down below that you would like to see swatches, and I will come back at a later date and do these swatches, like Monday or something, and do these swatches. But since it is date night, and I won't be putting date night pictures in this video because date night is going to be just kind of like vloggy bits. So I will put my outfit, it's a very casual date night. I will put my outfit in one of the corners, and I will show you the makeup that's on my face, which isn't a whole lot. Anyway, back to the palettes. So that is the neon pink, and I don't know, man. So obviously it was in Sephora, so they did have palettes that were open that I could swatch. I didn't bother because we were on a date night that night too, but just the packaging alone, I don't know. I just love it. And then the next is the neon orange palette. I don't know, these are just gonna look so good hanging out on my wall. And that sounds really bad to say, I think. I feel like that sounds really bad to say. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is translating for you on the screen or not, but this orange right here is so sparkly. It looks like it's orange with a green shift. Oh, I don't know, I may just come back here and swatch these for you guys anyway. I just really can't today, and I'm really, really trying hard not to touch them. I just really want to stick my fingers in them. This color is, it looks like a yellow on the screen, but it's actually, it looks more green in person, so like a yellow green, like a lime green, or like a lemon lime. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense, but oh my goodness, that is just so pretty. I don't know. Like I said, I about fell over when I saw these in the store, and I don't know. It's the package. I guess maybe it takes me back to the 80s. I don't know. It takes me back to a childhood that wasn't the greatest, but I mean, there were some good points. And then this is the neon green. Now, these palettes are more expensive than the regular Obsessions palettes. The regular Obsessions palettes were $27 a piece, and these were $29 a piece. And the inside of this one isn't wowing me as much as the inside of the other two, but I still think it's pretty. And I think the packaging is just gorgeous. But anyway, that is what I bought at Sephora. I am really excited for those. And then I got a couple of samples here. I got a YSL cologne, and then I got a Laneige lip mask. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so when I saw this as an option to get, I just jumped all over it because I've heard a lot of good reviews on this. And it's a lip sleeping mask, so I look forward to trying that. Okay, you guys, that will conclude my haul. Again, down in the comments, if you would like to see swatches of those, let me know. I may just do it anyway. I don't know, just so I can stick my fingers in them. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.